Good morning to all of you on the East Coast who are joining me live at 11:11 a.m. Good morning to everyone else in the United States, and I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. To everyone around the world, if you're watching this in replay on YouTube or IGTV, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Rebekah Borucki. I am a mother, an author, a meditation guide, and I'm so excited to be bringing you these daily live meditations, especially when our world is upside down. I'm recording this live during the kind of global lockdown during the coronavirus pandemic. And I hope that they're bringing you just a little bit of comfort. I'd love to hear your feedback, your requests, or anything you have to say to me in the comments. I love when you comment, and I especially love when you share these videos with your friends. So definitely tag them or tap the share button, share them in your stories. I really, really appreciate that. Before we get started, I just have a couple things today. We're going to be doing a meditation, a real meditation where we're contemplating, we're thinking about an idea, and it is the idea and actually the fact that you are so strong and you have survived so much, and knowing that, having proof of that, can be a way to alleviate your anxiety. So we're going to be working on that. I do have some links in my video description. I forgot something. Hold on a second. I have some links in the video description. My children's book, Zara's Big Messy Day, is available for sale. Every time you buy one, a child in a struggling school district, a student in need, gets a free book. I also have the digital bundle of everything for the book, including the Spanish language version, offered for free right now. So the link for that is in the video description. And I'm also giving away the digital versions of my book for moms, Managing the Mother Load, and You Have 4 Minutes to Change Your Life. It's backwards, but you know the book. The information on that is also in the video description. Hey Ian, how are you doing? Definitely chime in and say hello and tell me where you're from and how you're liking the meditations. But right now, we're gonna get started. Check out my Fitbit. I'm trying, folks. I'm trying to stay active during this crisis. My daughter gave it to me. It's her hand-me-down because I got her an Apple Watch for her birthday. Because my kids all have nicer stuff than I do. Take that nice big breath that allows you to settle into your comfortable or easy seat. Wherever you are is the perfect place to start. And that means energetically and physically. So wherever you are right now, just plop yourself down, settle in, and get nice and comfortable. Wiggle. No discomfort during meditation. Just get yourself into that spot. If it feels safe, go ahead and close your eyes. Some people like them open, so leave them open if you are one of those people. Just focus softly on an object across the room, a spot on the wall, or a place on the floor right past the tip of your nose. Sit up as tall as you're able. Place your hands downturned on your knees or thighs, or upturned to receive energy around you, to be uplifted during your meditation. And because meditation is supposed to be easy and it's supposed to serve you where you are, I want you to bring your attention to your natural breath, your easy and effortless inhales and exhales as they are in this moment. And that simply means observing your inhale as it enters in through your nose, travels down your throat, fills your chest, your belly. Let your belly soften here. Let it be round. And then watch as your exhale moves up and out of your mouth. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. I heard something funny a while back. that the person wasn't feeling easy peasy lemon squeezy. They were feeling stressed, depressed, and lemon zest. And silly. I thought it was cute. I like to joke about my mental illness and my emotional troubles. If we're not laughing, we're crying sometimes. You gotta laugh not to cry. Or cry, because that's good too. Scan your body. Just a quick scan to see if you're holding on to any tension in your forehead, in the muscles behind your eyes and your jaw. With your exhale, just release any tension from your face, your shoulders, let them drop. No holding in the belly, let it be round and loose. Wiggle any tension out of your fingers, your toes. Every inhale fills you with energy. Exhale releases tension. You can do that at any time of the day, that inhale and exhale. Just inhale energy, vitality, peace. Exhale tension. Inhale peace. Exhale tension. And actually think those words, imagine them, or speak them out loud with a whisper, bringing your attention to your breath. And just a one-word mantra can distract you from any stress that you're feeling in the moment, can help you to alleviate any acute panic or anxiety. Just focusing on a single object with your gaze, focusing on your easy inhales and exhales as they are, and a simple mantra. Inhale peace, exhale tension. And choose any words that work for you. Peace, vitality, good health, ease, tension, discomfort, stress, pressure. Whatever works, works. Continue to focus on your inhales and exhales as I reveal the purpose, the mission of today's meditation. Like I said, meditation is a time to sit in quiet contemplation, to meditate on a single thought or idea or feeling. I happen to love cheesy quotes and affirmations, and one that I love repeating again and again to others and myself to remind myself of my power is, remember, you have survived every hard moment up until now. You have overcome every obstacle until now. You being here is proof of your strength, of your power, of your resilience. Now, for words to have power, for an idea to have power, you have to believe it. You have to accept it, breathe it in, integrate it on a cellular level. And that happens with repetition, with faith, and with practice. So as you inhale and exhale, accept these words as a gift from me to you. I only spit the truth. I only got the truth for y'all. Every moment up until now is proof of your strength, your power, your resilience. You have survived every tough time. You have overcome every obstacle. You have navigated every crooked road, the bumps, the bruises. You have taken them and you have survived. You have overcome. You have thrived. Your being here is proof of all of that. You got this moment. You got this moment. Nothing is too big for you. Because when it feels big, you know how to ask for help. And you will receive that help. And you will continue moving through it. Because that's who you are and that's what you do. You got this. You got this. You got this. Inhale. Exhale, settle. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, settle. Inhale, bring the crown of your head up towards the sky like you're being pulled with a string. Exhale, settle into your seat. Your existence in this moment is proof of your strength, your power, and your resilience. And the strength and the power and the resilience of every ancestor that has come before you. You will not disappoint. You will move through this moment and you will thrive because we all have each other's backs. You were made for this. You were ready for this. You got this. You got this. You got this. One more big inhale and exhale together. Inhale, lift. Exhale, settle. Bring your hands to heart center in prayer or one hand over the other, covering your heart. Acknowledge your heartbeat. Acknowledge the rise and fall of your chest with each breath. This is proof of your aliveness, of your vitality, of your worthiness of being here. With your next inhale and exhale, affirm all of that is true. Affirm that you showed up for yourself. Affirm the gratitude that you have for yourself, for doing that, for loving on yourself in this moment. And go ahead and flutter your eyes open or focus your gaze to return to the space. Hey, Christine, Ann, and Deirdre, and Carol, and Lorna. We met in Houston. Hey, girl, hey. Oh, yes, we talked about mediums of African ancestry. We need to talk. You are so strong, Lorna. You are so strong because you are here. Okay, I thank you for being here. Just as a reminder, there are very important links in my video description. One for a talk coming up about wellness for Black folks, medical racism, heavy topics. If you're watching this live, it's happening on March 27th. Please sign up for that. Proceeds go to a very beautiful woman, a mother, and an advocate for Black wellness. Her name is Shishi Rose, and I admire her so. So please check out those links. Grab my books for free. I affirm this 3 times. Well, first I have to thank you for showing up for you and for me, because it inspires and compels me to show up for you and for myself. I love you, I love you, I love you. I say that 3 times to seal it in and so you believe it. And for the same reason, I say thank you, thank you, thank you. I will see you soon. Tomorrow. We're doing this every day, folks. I got you, I got you, I got you. Bye-bye.